What's up, guys? Killer X7 with another FPV footage. Today I'm outside because it's beautiful. I'm like, let's make this video outside, see what it looks like, right? I don't have a crazy gear of camera, but I'm filming with the LG G3, so we'll see what the outcome will be. So I've set up my my gates that I've showed you, DIY FPV, cheap FPV gates. I've set up my setup in the park, just for gates, you know, just getting used to it. Just a little session, you know, nothing crazy, just getting used to the thing, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and roll the clip.
Sirius.
Hey, what's up, guys? Session done. Leader 120, Eachine 220, 3S. So let's throw in the garbage now. Just kidding. I just take this drone just to get used to the gates, you know, just get used to the terrain, whatever. Because it felt, at first it felt fast, but now it feels slow. But this guy, 2S, man, it feels like a 5-inch with 4S. It's crazy fast. The only downside is I did the RunCam Micro Swift mod, and because of that, I don't have enough tilt in the camera. So when I'm going fast, and my drone is almost like this, I mostly see the floor and not enough directly in front of me. So I don't know if I'm going to put the stock camera back. I don't think so, because I don't feel like destroying this baby again. And it was a lot of work just fitting everything inside just perfectly, all the soldering nice done and everything. So I think I'm going to leave it like that, but I'm going to build another drone, a 5-inch, with some crazy components, and I'll keep you guys posted on this one. But yeah, for now, I'm practicing on this one. It does the job. It goes fast. I have a lot of 2S Gaoneng batteries. They do the job very quickly. Yeah. Well, I'm very quick with it. Whatever. So yeah. So that was pretty much it for me today. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, comment if you like. Ask me any question. I'll be there. I'll answer them. And peace, guys.
Alright, mate. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.